Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common maintenance tips and tricks and suggestions for your Roborock Q5 Max Plus. If you're interested in this vacuum or you want to find out more about it, link to it will be in the video description. Starting with the top, not much to do here, just occasionally might want to wipe it down. Same with checking this channel right there for the navigational bumper to make sure there's nothing ever caught or obstructing that from working properly. Looking at the front of the vacuum, you'll want to make sure every once in a while that this sensor is wiped down, that there's no dirt or dust or anything accumulating there. Same with along the side. And then we'll look at the underneath side here. We have our cliff sensors that we want to wipe down periodically as well. Same with the charging contacts here to make sure there's no obstructions on them. Every once in a while, you'll probably have to detangle and cut away some hair from your side cleaning brush. Same with the main brush roller here. Just depends how often you're checking this, looking at it, and keeping up with it. You might find some tangles and stuff accumulating on the sides, but you can easily remove and replace those as needed. Not really that big of a deal if you ask me. And then not much more you need to spend any time or attention to underneath. Lastly, looking at the dustbin, periodically you'll want to go ahead and keep an eye on this filter to clean and replace as needed. I've found that I can extend the life of these filters by getting compressed air and cleaning this out. So that's an option there. And then obviously, again, you can replace these all together if you want. And then if you're on that compressed air kick like I usually am, then you can go ahead and you can zap that in here and just give your dustbin a nice clean every once in a while. If you happen to get this wet or you want to rinse it out, please, please, please give it enough time to dry before you use it again. But very simple and straightforward to care for your Roborock RoboVac.